On the African savanna, a vivid picture of the battle between life and death takes place every day. And herds of elephants are considered resilient and dedicated warriors in this struggle. The protection of elephant herds does not stop at protecting young animals from being hunted by lions. But also extends to protecting other vulnerable members of the herd and maintaining community solidarity. In a herd of elephants, there is nothing more precious than motherly love. The mother elephant is not only a strong mother, but also a brave warrior, willing to sacrifice everything to protect her young. The image of the mother elephant using her huge neck and tusks to repel the lion's attack is not only a manifestation of physical strength but also an expression of love and worthless sacrifice. In addition, elephant herds also show solidarity and loyalty to each other in the fight for survival. No elephant is left behind. Every member cooperates closely to deal with the common enemy. This is not only individual resistance but also strong collective cooperation. Demonstrating the spirit of a strong army. Furthermore, the protection of the elephant herd also opens a story about love and sharing. The herd shares food, water, and care for each other. The image of older and stronger elephants protecting the weak and old is not only a testament to social organization but also a symbol of compassion and respect for life. In a natural world full of dangers, elephants are a living example of strength, loyalty, and love without boundaries. They are symbols of strength and love, reminding us of the value of solidarity and humanity in everyday life.